Hey, grab a friend and make sure you're warmed up. We're starting with burpees into quick feet. I want you to remember to do and stay at your own pace. Push yourself just a little bit, but know your limits. Breathe. You're going quick with the feet. There we go. Now take a break. And breathe. Walk it off. Awesome. Get ready for your next move. Here we go. Squat hops. Now to modify this move, you don't have to hop. Just go deep and then just spring right back up and then come right back down. And again, go at your own pace. Always breathing. Taking your little breaks when needed. You've got this. Keep going. Yeah, come on, we're almost there. Breathe, you're doing great. Yeah, stretch it out. Grab some water if you need it. And get back into it when you can. All right, here we go. Take a breath, control your breathing. We're coming down on all fours, okay? This is called the triple bear. Here we go. So you wanna stay low. Your knees are always bent about 2 inches off the floor. Hands are always under your shoulders. Once you start getting tired, just stop, take a breath, and get back in when you need to. The modification for this is to walk and step your feet out, just as I'm doing right now. There you go. Always modify so that it works for you. Take a break. Yes, your muscles are totally on fire. That's so normal. Breathe, grab water. All right, get ready. We're going for another round, starting with those quick feet into your burpees. You got this, let's go. Come on, bring it up and down. Ready? Come on, come on, come on. You got it. Keep going. Quick on the feet. Come on, quick on the feet. Come on. Get down and quick. Back down. Yes. Keep going. You're almost there. Let's go. Come on, you got this. Come on, no one said it was gonna be easy. Whew, there it is. Come on. Almost done. You're almost there. Bam, you're done. All right, stretch it out. Walk it off. All right, let's get into our next move. Hop squats right here. Do it. Yes, my legs are getting tired too. Let's go. We've got this. Modify the best movement you can. Adjust what you need to adjust. Make sure your back is always straight, your chest is up. Keep breathing. Take your little breaks, get back into it. There it is. Very well done. Come on. Just a little bit more. Last push, come on. All right, there it is, stretch it out. Next move. Catch your breath, control the breathing. All right, here we go. Hands under your shoulders. And triple bear. 3 hops. Center side, center side. You've got this. Keep going. Keep your head up straight. Looking forward, past your fingertips. Again, walk your steps out. Step it out if you need to. Don't lose your form. You're doing great. Keep going. There it is. See, not so bad. That went by pretty quick. Stretch it out. Grab water if you need it. Okay, take a deep breath. We're going for one last round. You can do this. You've got this. Breathe. Here we go. Quick feet. You got it. Come on down for that burpee. Bring it back up. Quick feet. Always remember, engage your core. Chest is up high, back is straight. Hands always land underneath those shoulders. You got it. Keep going. Come on, this is your last round. Give it all you got. You've got this. Come on. Come on, I know it's hard, but you've done harder things. Yes, you have. Come on, you got this. We've all got this. Stretch it out and take those breaks, but get right back in. Don't give up. You've got it. Okay, come on. Just a little bit more. Okay, take a breath. Got it. Walk it off. All right, next one. Hop squats. Let's go. Bam. Looking good. Keep going. Take that little rest when you need to and get right back into it. Come on. Fabulous. You're looking fantastic. Just a little bit more. Come on. Keep going. Come on, last little bit. Last little bit. Bam, there it is. Okay, stretch it out. Walk it off. Do what you have to do. Whew. Girlfriend's taking a break over there. Come on, Teresa. Yeah, girl. Triple bear. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. Modify as needed. Take those breaks, but get right back in. You've got it. Come on. Push. There's that modification. Stepping it out. Bam. And if you've been doing the modification all the way through, good. That's fine. That's where you need to be right now. Keep going. Bam. Hey, high five. That was a tough one. But you did it. We got through it. So awesome. I'm so proud of you. Stretch those muscles. Drink tons of water tonight. Have some magnesium before bed. Take care of your bodies. Like and subscribe.